And despite the recent drop we saw here, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. I still think Bitcoin's price looks fantastic from a long-term perspective. This channel is mainly focused on macro trend identification, right? So that is what I've been specializing in here on this channel for a while now. And that is what my channel is known for, right? Calling these longer term trends. And recently we've been getting a lot more bullish here on this channel. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin. Recently, Bitcoin saw a bit of a drop in the market. Within about a 30-minute period, we saw an 8% correction. Looking at the overall market right now, we can see Bitcoin is down 5.73%, and all the top cryptos have followed Bitcoin to the downside. So looking at these asset cards, we can see that most cryptos dumped, found support, and have been trading sideways for almost 24 hours now. So we haven't seen any major bounce backs just yet, but we are trading at a support level. In yesterday's video, I depicted this drawing here, looking at Bitcoin from the weekly chart, looking at Bitcoin from the long term. We were talking about how even if Bitcoin were to see lower lows, lower highs, as long as we remain above the 21-week EMA, then things still look very bullish for this market. And despite the recent drop we saw here, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. I still think Bitcoin's price looks fantastic from a long-term perspective. The main support levels that we've been discussing on this channel were this previous resistance here around 9,500, and then of course this previous resistance here around 9,000 to 9,100 or so. And right now, Bitcoin's still holding above that first support level. We haven't had any daily candles close below that support level just yet. So overall, we are still holding significant supports. Regardless of this short-term dump we had, we are still holding very significant support levels. And from a long-term perspective, things look completely fine despite the short-term moves. Looking at the 4-hour chart, a lot of people got really scared about this dump, right? We trended down to 9,400, 9,500. We saw a quick rally up, and then we dumped straight back down to this level that we were at 3 days ago, right? So the current price levels that we're at are the same prices that we were at 3 days ago, right? So it's really not a big deal. Bitcoin rallied up and we retraced 100% back to these current levels, right? So if you're a long-term holder of Bitcoin, it's almost the same as if we were just trading sideways here. And we didn't, and this pump pretty much just canceled itself out. And as we've discussed in many of my previous videos, we could dump as low as 9,000 to 9,100 before finding significant support. But as of right now, we're still holding above this support level and this previous resistance right here. So that's all still pretty good. Bitcoin's still holding that level. That gives us a chance to potentially recover from here. If Bitcoin were to break this support again and dump lower, like we've been discussing, as long as we're holding above the 21-week EMA, maybe we trend down to 9,000 to 9,100. As long as we're remaining above the 21-week EMA, then things long-term look really, really good. This channel is mainly focused on macro trend identification, right? So that is what I've been specializing in here on this channel for a while now. And that is what my channel is known for, right? Calling these longer-term trends. And recently we've been getting a lot more bullish here on this channel, right? So overall, when you see me analyze this market, guys, just remember I'm looking at this from a long-term perspective. And these little pumps and dumps don't really mean much to me. And what we could be expecting going into the next few weeks is maybe some sideways action here before the next major run-up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to sign up with the Cryptowatch platform, which is the platform that you see me use in all of my videos. And if you want to support the channel further, you can join the Patreon, and I will see you guys in the next video.